My name is Kylie Wetzel. I teach here at Penn High School. I teach child development and education professions. The STEM Month program is when I have quite a few of my students run over to Walt Disney Elementary School. They get to actually teach it to the students and implement it in the classroom.
STEM is important because it affects almost every part of your life. Like no matter what career that you're going into, you're gonna have science, technology, engineering, or math integrated into that in some way or another.
Today, we're making our names out of crystals. We bend our names into pipe cleaners, and then we're gonna let them soak in a borax solution, and then that solution will make crystallized little stone type things grow all over it.
And then we're doing a rubber band car where we'll wind up rubber bands onto their toy cars and we'll race them.
The part of STEM that they're learning from building these cars is more engineering about how making things work and how things are fitting together.
We think that STEM is super important to introduce to these children at that young of an age. Everybody uses science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in everyday life. So it's super important to introduce it that young because then they can hone in on one specific thing that they like.
I hope the kids just have a fun time doing it while learning some new things that they can use in future classes and just give them a head start in this area, and so they can just learn some science and have a good time.
A dedication to STEM is PHM excellence.